The pyrolysis oil produced by Corsair could be used in two ways. The oil could very easily be refined to become fuel, such as, for example, gasoline, diesel, and kerosene. But even more importantly, the oil can also be used as a raw material in the production of new plastic products. Originally, when we got started, our target was to provide the oil into the fuel industry. Generally speaking, in this business model, the price point for our oil production would have been approximately 50 cents per liter. A real breakthrough happened for our industry in the year 2021 when European Union introduced a new regulation where companies producing plastic in Europe or importing plastics to Europe are now obligated to use a minimum of 30% recycled raw material in the manufacturing of new plastic products. This new regulation, which was introduced in the year 2021 and became operational and active in January 1st, 2025, truly changed the entire pyrolysis recycling industry. Because of this new requirement, there is today a market demand of approximately 100 billion liters of ISCC certified pyrolysis oil, which due to its quality meets the extremely high requirements of the petrochemical industry. Why is this so important? First of all, the market price for pyrolysis oil, which is suitable for the petrochemical industry, meeting their extremely tight quality requirements, has a market price point of approximately $1 per liter. At Corsair, we knew that these regulations were coming. And for 2 years, we worked in the development of our process and our product to get to the point where today our pyrolysis oil is considered the best quality pyrolysis oil on the market. This means that from a standard size standalone Corsair facility, which is able to produce as much as 10 million liters of pyrolysis oil per year from approximately 12 million kilos of plastic waste annually, has now a very lucrative and very financially viable business model. What separates Corsair from many other operators on the pyrolysis oil industry is that our oil is among the very few companies which is suitable to be used in a petrochemical industry. I'll give you an example of why this is so crucially important. Pyrolysis oil made from plastic waste is used in the fuel industry, which is still the more common practice by other operators in our industry. The oil used to produce fuels is, by the definitions of European Union and United Nations, not considered recycling. Because what happens when you make oil from plastic waste, which ends up being burned in the engine, that is considered burning. Only and only in the case where the pyrolysis oil made from plastic waste is used to produce new plastic can it be called recycling. So there is both a financial benefit as well as obviously a very important environmental benefit involved on doing exactly what Corsair is doing by not using our pyrolysis oil in the production of fuels, but instead allocating that product and all of our product development towards the production of new, more environmentally friendlier and circular plastics.